My name is Brian Balaguer. Prior to joining KI, I was a school administrator for 7 years. I understand there's a lot of noise out there. What should your school feel like? What should the classrooms look like? The fact of the matter is, there is no one answer. It starts and it ends with your school's culture. Please join us for an immersive hands-on experience.
Be an active participant in this Hands and Mind workshop that will point you to spaces designed with a specific understanding of student engagement and school culture. Created within context of your curriculum. And cognizant of the learning activities within. Reimagining the learning space by bringing to life the core principles of design thinking and maker-based learning. Think about how might we? Stay curious. Lay a foundation for new ideas and innovation. Establish design drivers. Turn a vivid imagination into a realistic solution. Inspire and activate the change you seek.
To participate in or schedule a workshop, please visit ki.com/learning-space workshop. Thank you.